Folks, if you own a 2005 to 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee, or probably any other Jeep in this matter that deals with this type of drive shaft that this has, which is that pressed in, non-greasable, kind of non-serviceable U-joints. Now, if you're having a clicking noise when you're hitting your brakes, in the beginning it won't click when you're turning, it just clicks when you're slowing down. And then it'll have some type of driveline vibration as soon as you hit like 20 mile an hour. If you're giving it gas, you'll feel it in the beginning, and then later on, as you're hitting 50, 55, it starts getting worse and worse and worse. As the time goes on, you start thinking that it's your CV axles, but in return, it winds up not being my CV axles, and I'm going to show you guys right now what it is. So if you're going down the road and you hit your brakes and you're hearing a clicking noise, and it's a fast click, it's not slow, I'm going to show you where this noise is coming from. And right now, this is my rear drive shaft, and if I pull on it back and forth, I could hear it. Hear that little click? It's not a lot, but it's just enough to show that there's some movement up here on these ones here, on the side ears of this. These are the ones that are bad, so I'm going to take this off and put new caps on it, I think, and try to go from there. I don't know what size this is, but I'm going to try to see which one's compatible with this so I can press these out and put a new one in. From my understanding, that when you do press these out, you either get these notched or you buy a new one that actually fits the size caps, because the clips go on the bottom side and not the top side or something like that. So I'm going to look into it a little further, but I'm going to rebuild this. This is what my problem is. And I don't know if you guys heard that little clicking or not, but it's just enough to really cause some vibration, and I could feel it moving up and down a little bit. So once again, guys, if in the beginning, it started off as just driveline vibration, then it turned into this clicking as I was slowing down. It almost sounds like it's coming from the rear, but at the same time, it sounds like it's coming from the front of the car. So when I stuck my head back behind the seats, the front seats, that's where I started hearing it coming from the rear. And once I heard that, I knew for a fact it was my rear drive shaft. It wasn't the prop shaft, because that's more or less underneath your floorboard, and it sounds like it's under your, right next to your shifter. Anyway, guys, this is Red Hammer Reviews. I hope this video helped you guys out. Peace out. Love yourself. Love your country.